Namibia, a land of stark beauty, vast, desolate, captivating. This is Africa unveiled, raw, untamed, a place that gets under your skin, stays with you. Imagine, endless horizons painted in hues of ochre and gold, towering dunes sculpted by the wind, ancient rock formations whispering tales of time. This is Namibia, a country where adventure meets serenity, where the wild whispers and the soul finds solace. Want to discover more? Hit that subscribe button. Join me as we journey through the heart of Namibia. Uncover hidden gems, experience the raw beauty. This is a journey you won't forget. Namibia's landscapes are legendary, monuments to the Earth's raw power. Let's start with Sossusvlei, a photographer's paradise. Imagine this, a vast clay pan, surrounded by towering dunes, some of the highest in the world. The colors, unreal, deep reds, oranges, purples, changing with the light. Then there's Etosha National Park, a different kind of beauty. A vast, shimmering salt pan, a magnet for wildlife. Elephants, lions, giraffes, all drawn to the life-giving waterholes. Etosha is a testament to nature's resilience. We can't forget the skeleton coast, haunting, beautiful, a graveyard of shipwrecks, reclaimed by the desert, a stark reminder of nature's power. Namibia's landscapes are a feast for the senses, a journey through time, a story etched in stone and sand. Namibia isn't just about gazing in awe, it's about experiencing the raw beauty, feeling the adrenaline. Let's talk adventure. Start with Sossusvlei. Challenge yourself. Climb a dune. Feel the sand beneath your feet. Reach the summit. The reward? A view that will take your breath away. Then there's Etosha. Embrace the thrill of a safari. Track lions on the prowl. Witness elephants bathing in the waterholes. Get up close with nature. Feel the raw energy. Don't forget the skeleton coast. Explore the shipwrecks. Feel the wind whipping through your hair, the raw power of the ocean. Namibia's adventures are not for the faint of heart. They're about pushing boundaries, creating memories that last a lifetime. Namibia is a land of surprises. Unique experiences await those willing to venture further. Ever thought about floating above the desert? Hot air ballooning offers a different perspective. Soar above the dunes. Watch the sunrise paint the landscape. A memory etched in your mind forever. Looking for something more down to earth? Try sandboarding. Carve down the dunes. Feel the wind in your hair. The thrill of the descent. It's exhilarating. And for the culturally curious, Namibia delivers. Visit a Himba village. Learn about their ancient traditions, their connection to the land. It's a humbling experience, a reminder of the diversity of our planet. Namibia's beauty goes beyond its landscapes. It lies in the heart of its people, the Himba tribe, guardians of an ancient way of life. Their red ochre skin, a symbol of their connection to the earth. Visiting a Himba village is a privilege, a chance to learn about their traditions, their respect for nature, the Sand People, the oldest inhabitants of southern Africa. Their knowledge of the land is unparalleled. Their stories passed down through generations. Learning about their ancient ways is a humbling experience. Namibia's cultural tapestry is rich and vibrant, a blend of traditions, languages, and stories. It's a reminder that travel is more than just seeing sights. It's about connecting with people, understanding their stories. Namibia, a land of contrasts, stark beauty, thrilling adventures, rich culture. It's a destination that stays with you, a place to escape the ordinary, to reconnect with nature, to discover yourself. From the towering dunes of Sossusvlei to the wildlife haven of Etosha, Namibia offers something for everyone. Adventure seekers, culture enthusiasts, those seeking solace in nature's embrace. Namibia delivers. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, embrace the unknown. Namibia awaits. And trust me, it's an experience you won't forget.